it's Nasiri, and today I'll be doing a video of me cooking salmon with my mom. But right now she is none of you guys' business right now. So first, make sure you like and subscribe. So first, I have to get the salmon out. Let's see. I found it. I lost for a second. We got the salmon. What the heck? Next, we're going to need is probably a knife. We're going to need a knife. We're going to do my seasoning. Okay, let me actually pause it for I can go get some seasoning. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you guys first the seasoning. Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper for the sauce. We got butter and lemon pepper. That's what we're going to make the sauce. We got Tony Cherry's original salsa seasoning, great on everything. It's going to be great on my salmon. We got hot sauce. I like hot sauce. Here's the pan we're gonna need. Hey guys, so now I have to wash the fish. Hopefully this goes good. I'm actually gonna put the fish on the board and then wash it. I'm making sushi. Okay, you guys. So I gotta put it a little bit higher, so we're gonna have to talk a little bit louder. So next, I have to dry it down for it to be dry. And so while I'm doing that, I'm gonna actually tell you guys about my mom's app. My mom has an app for.
I have a business, a massage business.
She has a massage business. So after this, you can go on Instagram, TikTok, or or Facebook,
or Google,
go to Heavenly Hand Massage. And if you see a black woman, that's what you're going to need to do. Actually, you can sign up. Make sure to tell your friends, family, anybody you guys know, and make sure to tell them that you guys had massage from the famous massager. She can crack your back in 15 seconds.
I'm a massage therapist, and I am not licensed to crack backs. I just do yours because you're my daughter.
No, you also do other people's, right?
Well, not on purpose. I'm not a chiropractor.
Next I have to season it. Oil? The oil right here, Mama.
Yeah, just a little bit.
This is sunflower oil. Do I put on a little bit of this?
I don't want it dripping all over the side. You just start it in the middle, and then it's gonna in the middle, and then you can just rub that over. Rub it around.
Okay. Is this what makes it hard?
It just helps stick the seasoning to the fish.
Oh yeah.
And when we fry it, it helps not burn.
You want to take a picture of that?
Oh, it feels so weird. When you do like this, it feels so weird. Oh, why is it so cold?
Okay, don't put nothing else until I come back. Garlic powder, the holes are pretty big. So again, you're sprinkling, you're shuffling all over the fish. Can't even see you. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's good.
Made accidentally here, Mom.
Let's see.
Next, I'm going to put is lemon pepper. We're also going to use lemon pepper for the sauce.
Those are big holes, so you're shuffling it.
There we go.
So you should maybe add a little bit more right here. You like lemon pepper?
Yeah, I don't like it that much.
Okay.
These are also big holes, so I have to shuffle.
And Creole, yeah, it's spicy too, so a little bit spicy. And then after you put all that on there, you're gonna pat it in and kind of rub it all over. That's pretty good.
I might have put too much.
It's okay, rub it all over because you don't have some salt on this side. How much you gonna do?
A little bit.
Like that.
A little bit more. Just like that.
Now you mix it in. The oil's ready.
Ooh, this is gonna be good, y'all. Guys, wait until you see this at the end of the video. Doesn't this look so good?
At least you have this, don't have no salt in it. That's what I meant by rubbing it on.
Like this? Like this?
Mm-hmm. You like green beans, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
And then you're gonna put it in the pan and you're gonna put the skin side down first.
Like this?
Yeah, and you're gonna put it this way. Oh.
Oh, like this?
Like.
It's a dip machine. This thing just spiked me. Okay, now we're going to try to open this. I'm eating green beans with salmon. I need a pot. Like this?
Yeah.
Like this. Like this.
And now push down. And now it's gonna go all the way around. Make sure you hold the bottom so it don't fall. Now you lift this top part and it's gonna hold it because the magnet's holding the top, and you take the bottom. See?
Oh, that's scary.
And then now
I need a fork
for what?
to pour the juice out a little bit.
We actually need that juice.
For what? That's a lot of juice. You want me to?
Out.
Ah!
Now I need to cut you some pieces. Come on, we gotta work fast. Remember, in the kitchen, we don't move slow. We gotta work fast. Cut like a piece, like right
like
there. Yeah. And put the butter inside here, and you get your lemon pepper ready because you're putting it as lemon pepper butter. And you're gonna pour the lemon pepper on top of the butter.
Oh, dang! Dang, that's the whole thing! Gotta mix it around with the spoon. Mom, what do we need for the butter? Lemon pepper? Do we need lemon pepper?
On your
Oh, yeah.
That's not even hot. I'm done back.
I know, but it's scary. It's terrifying. Pepper first. But slowly. Just like that. Then we're gonna add the salt now. To make it a little bit sweet.
That's
And now, you want to pause it? Wait, man, I'll pause. Okay, anyways, we're gonna add the blackberries first.
how big do you want your food to be? And I got all just
See you guys when my food is done. Yay! So you guys, this is actually my second plate. This is what we made. I already ate the blackberries. I don't want any more. Green beans, and then let's try it. Actually, this was in the oven. This came out because we want to make it a little bit crispier. Let's try it. Let's try it.
I'm going to make a tomato, basil, and mozzarella sandwich. It's kind of hard because I'm a vegetarian, so I can't have like a normal turkey.
That was so good, you guys.
I'm a vegetarian.
Now we're gonna try the green beans. After this, the video's all over. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye guys. After I eat this.
Much animal crackers, but the only good ones are from Trader Joe's.
Bye guys, see you in my next video.
And a Z-bar.